안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I did my BTS butter inspired nail art. This will be mainly inspired by their album cover. Now, let's get started. These days, after applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat, I see to it that I apply a thick layer of top coat. And this really helps out to not stain my natural nails. Plus, I also apply a white base. After letting it all to dry, I'm painting my index and my pinky nail with black nail polish. Then a bright yellow for my middle, ring, and thumbnail. Then I let all of these to dry completely. For my index and pinky nail, I'm painting a dripping butter design. I'm now using acrylic paint to paint the dripping butter shape. After letting it to dry, I'm applying another layer of acrylic paint to make it opaque. Now it's time to paint it with yellow. For my middle nail, I'm painting the melting heart-shaped butter. Then I painted the details with black acrylic paint. For my ring nail, I'm painting BTS's logo. As for my thumb, I painted the word butter. And I added more details to each of my nail. To make it smooth like butter, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat. And that's how I did my BTS butter design nail art. Shout out for Diony A for requesting this nail art tutorial. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And guess what? I'm officially now on Facebook as well. 크게 오늘이야 여러분. 비주를 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!